Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you what I got in the mail this week. So I had a couple sponsors send me a few things. I did open one of the boxes. Anyway, Converse sent me 2 boxes. Let's see what came in the mail. Whoa, wait, these are so cool. Oh my gosh, they're like so vintage looking, but also like so cute. Stop. Oh my gosh, look at the bag. Wait, I gotta try them on right now. Oh my gosh, I love shoes. I love shoes, I love shoes, I love shoes. Okay, Converse has always been a staple in my life. Like, anytime we would go to thrift stores growing up and we'd see Converse shoes, we'd be like, oh my gosh, grab the Converse. They were just such cool kid shoes. And they're still such cool kid shoes. Stop. Oh my gosh, I can totally see myself styling them with like some sweats, like a matching sweat set, or a pair of overalls. Stop. I have a white pair of overalls coming in. These are gonna look so cute with them. These are so cute. Now I'm like so curious to see what else they sent, because the other one is in a massive box. Like, does Converse have not like knee highs? No, right? This one I'm so excited about. If you guys know me, you know I'm a huge fan of doing giveaways in my community. So Converse actually gave us a bunch of shoes to give away. So, stop it. Oh my gosh. Okay, it looks like they're each individual boxes, so we're gonna open one at a time. Oh my god! Look at this! This is so sick. You've got to be kidding me. I've been dying for more color in my wardrobe. These are so freaking cute. Stop, I'm so excited. Okay, number 2. Stop! The yellow is so cool. Hello, Peach! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that's my name! It's the red and pink ones. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. Look, it matches my blush. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And they're so light and they're so flexible. Thank you so much.